Welcome back to the class, and we are in the middle of ratios and proportions and variations, and in that ratios ante enti vaati gurinchi manam discuss chestunnamo. In this course we have been discussing about number systems and fundamentals and basics, fundamentals, so averages, alligations, percentages, profit and loss, interest and ratio proportions as of now. And next, time and work, time, speed and progressions, so linear equations, so quadratic equations, and all these which covers in most of the exams. So that will be covered, and after that we will start a reasoning part. The rest part will be discussed later, right? So today, what exactly it is? Ratio means a comparison of two or more quantities, generally two quantities. If it is two quantities, so first quantity it is antecedent and second quantity consequent, and the ratios can be of a decimal form, a fraction form. So ratios can be is of fraction form or decimal form, that can be converted if these properties are very important. If all ratios are equal, the ratios can be converted into the fraction form, all those fractions. So all numerators divided by all denominators, all numerators and all denominators. So all numerators sum divided by all denominators sum can be equal. So now if the ratios are there, if all these ratios are there, and the unequal ratios, if they are unequal ratios, then it is definitely, so sum of all numerators divided by sum of all denominators is definitely equal to, definitely lies in the middle of the smallest value as well as the maximum value. So it is small value and maximum value. So this lies between here, right? So next, what we have discussed. So the third one is, if A is greater than B, that means if numerator is greater than denominator, if first quantity is greater than the second quantity, then A plus K and A minus K, how is the relation? So it is lies between, lies between A plus K by B plus K and A minus K by B minus K, and in this the maximum value will be A minus K by B minus K. So that will be lies in the middle. And if A is less than B, then the case is the smallest value will become the maximum value will become the smallest value. This has been discussed in the previous class. So the last one, so if it is equal A plus C, so if one ratio is more, the second ratio, so that is added, then automatically that is more, that is again the fourth. So as Masters Academy is providing so many courses on a board, so at present we are providing only online live classes and even VOD classes, so videos on demand, VOD in the sense videos on demand. So that will be there in Mr. Hafiz e-learning app. In that e-learning app, you can just watch in the store, so all courses will be available there, right?